What did the invention of the barcode do for trade? As Sir Terry Leahy, former CEO of Tesco, once said, "Without barcodes, I have no business." In fact, people like him and Fred Smith of FedEx couldn't operate without barcodes. They eliminate human intervention and thus errors, as well as speeding up data entry. A simple scan of a barcode enters data, which can be manipulated at will. A parcel can be sent to a central depot, such as Memphis in FedEx's case, and then shipped out to all points in the world overnight. Retailers like Tesco are able to track their stock from the moment it enters their system to the point of sale, enabling immediate stock replenishment. In fact, inventory management is the most prevalent solution using barcodes and ensures all businesses can enjoy efficiencies and stock accuracy previously only dreamt of. This has obvious customer benefits, as they are less likely to shop elsewhere as a result of things working as expected. Healthcare has been changed beyond belief thanks to barcodes and enjoyed some of the earliest solutions, most notably blood transfusion. Blood bags are labeled with blood type barcodes and tracked through the system, and patients are given barcoded wristbands so they're given the correct blood and/or medicine, thus dramatically reducing deaths from incorrect administration. Global trade has barcode standards to ensure there is a standard numbering system for containers and shipping units, enabling companies to track where their shipments are at any one time. This also reduces time and adds efficiency to the supply chain. If you compare trade in China with other countries, it can be seen how important barcodes are and what can go wrong with them. Supply chains in China are fragmented due to the lack of a national carrier, so shipments have to be transshipped from company to company if they're going long distance, thus giving rise to damaged goods from excessive handling and inefficiencies in traceability, as some companies are still using pen and paper, some even spreadsheets, and some without computer systems, whereas outside China, most use barcodes.